Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Picsart. To not fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Picsart. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.